very happy to introduce our project to you. It's actually about this little creature. It's a mosquito, and believe it or not, it's the most dangerous animal in the world. Actually, it's not the mosquito, but it's the pathogens inside. So, of course, you have heard about malaria, dengue, and other diseases. And what we try to tackle with this project is the information delay that we as humans have when we experience infections. So what you often see is that there's an outbreak, and then the public health authorities, they react and they try to fix the problem. But there's a fact about these mosquitoes that we can use to create a system that will allow us to detect infections before they occur. How do we want to do that? So we will sample in Colombia, in Tolima, in collaboration with the public health ministries there, in different sites, mosquitoes. So we have light traps, the mosquitoes come, they go inside. And what we will then do is basically do a lab analysis with DNA, RNA to detect, was there a pathogen inside? Was there an animal that the mosquito was feeding on? We can see that from the DNA. And did a human interact with this mosquito? So was it also sucking blood from a human? And with these three variables, we are actually able to develop early warning risk maps that tell us about two conditions. One is the condition where there can be a spillover, so-called spillover, a transmission from an animal through a mosquito to a human. And that's one prominent example is the yellow fever. And actually in Tolima, there's a yellow fever outbreak. And now, guess what? How many people die that get infected with yellow fever? Like, what's the risk of dying? It's actually 50%. So through our technology, we try to create early warning systems so people get informed and potentially receive vaccines that can save their lives. And the other one that we try to tackle is basically human transmission. So that's typical for malaria or dengue. And also in these contexts, it's very helpful to know if the mosquitoes are infected. Because people, they're usually in urban areas, they don't know that mosquitoes are around that might severely damage their health. So we will develop these maps in collaboration with the local health authorities to hopefully inform people to protect some infections in humans.